Hey, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Stealing from the Greats, where I take about 3 minutes to break down the most popular subscription signups out there and see what don'ts and do's we can learn from them and what actionable takeaways we can take. So let's just jump straight into it. And this is Dollar Shave Club. Now, one thing is, I'm going to keep repeating myself here, is a good litmus test for your homepage sign up is before I click on anything, before I scroll anywhere, can I tell what the biggest benefit of your brand is and whether it benefits me? So now, one thing that blew my mind is actually that Dollar Shave Club doesn't do that. They ask you, how do you get ready? Tell us about your ongoing grooming needs. I'll recommend the perfect product. Now, I understand maybe that they are a massive brand and maybe you already know that they do subscription razor blades, but tell us about your grooming needs and we'll recommend products. Tell me almost like this could be affiliate links or something. Like it's kind of crazy that they don't state their brand value here. And this confusion kind of works its way through the whole rest of the site. Now, a nice thing, do this. You got a little free shipping on orders here in this text bar. And this text bar tells you, hey, if you're concerned about shipping policy or shipping rates, this prevents a lot of bounce. It tells me, hey, shipping's free. Okay, great. But then the page gets more confusing. It tells you another way to join the club. Oh, I was joining the club here? I didn't know that. I thought I was telling you about my grooming needs. Another way to join the club. Need a smooth shave? Start with our most popular product. So this kind of undermines this whole process here. This button, and then they finally go, okay, well, we're gonna start to build a little value in who we are and what we actually do. Now, fundamentally, your subscription sign-up process needs to do three things: get people to like your brand, respect your product and find value in your product, and build trust in your shipping policies and your company policies, pricing, cancellation, that sort of stuff. Now, this doesn't build any brand value. This doesn't build any brand value. Now, here's an attempt at doing some product value building, and it tells me that you get top shelf products. But that's the feature. It doesn't even bother to explain me what the benefit of top shelf products is. It just says premium ingredients. This just kind of repeats the subline, repeats this top main header, and it doesn't actually tell me why I should care about premium ingredients. It's like, hey, reduce skin irritation, use it every day, no worry, zero irritation free, that kind of stuff. Doesn't bother telling me. And that's really confusing. Then they tell you you're always in control of your subscription. They got a picture of the subscription box and you go, okay, well, that's good. Cancel anytime. There's a lot of bullets here, I'll be honest. There's a lot of info trying to be delivered. Flexible delivery dates, cancel anytime. That kind of tells me already what I need to know. And razors, do I really care about flexible delivery dates? I don't know. No hidden fees. That's nice. But then it tells me, tell us how you get ready, get started. I don't need, if I'm looking to buy razor blades, why do I need to tell you how I get ready? I don't get that. Now, here's the most strange and tragic part of this website, and it's found in the footer. Now, before I ramble on, I'm not claiming I have some silver bullet to all of this stuff, but just seeing how they approach one of their most valuable pages on their website, and how far they stray away from just general conventions and seemingly common sense ideas, kind of makes me wonder what's going on over there at Harry's or Dollar Shave Club, Freudian slip, a Dollar Shave Club. So, and here's the craziest part. Here's a little customer testimonial. By the time I make it to the bottom of the footer, to the bottom of the page, I have this one anonymous customer testimonial of somebody from 2018. And I kind of go, is there really, this is all you have for social proof? Like how am I supposed to trust your brand if all you have is this anonymous letter and it's just two sentences, and kind of blows my mind. So as a include as much social proof as you can. If you can't have reviews, if you can't have Instagram feed of people who, as user-generated content to build social proof, very valuable stuff. Now, the most tragic bit of this website is at the very, very bottom, and that's right here. A bit about our club. And listen to this website copy and tell me if this is not the most interesting part of this entire experience so far. copy from on About. We disrupted the shaving industry in 2011 by delivering fucking great blades at an awesome price right to your door. We've been listening to our members ever since, and now have you covered from hair to toe with a growing list of top shelf grooming products. We spend our days focused on helping you look, feel, and smell the best with an occasional office dog in our lap. Now, this actually makes me think about people who work at Dollar Shave Club and be like, oh, I want them to design my razors, or I just like these people. They seem genuine and good. And the most tragic bit is, this is by far the most valuable piece of this whole sign up homepage. And they buried it way deep down in tiny font. Now, this makes me almost suspect did Harry's get a board that really didn't like their marketing team, and they just hired a consultant and outsourced their sign up and their design for their brand, and they're trying to go for this kind of run of the mill everyman thing? I don't understand. So this is really mind blowing to me. So if somebody knows anything about Dollar Shave Club and what's going on over there, do let me know. I'm curious, because again, I'm not claiming that I know all the answers, but the way they're approaching their main homepage, their dollarshaveclub.com, is really mind blowing. And if you're looking to find a bad example of a sign up page right now, I mean,